Metal roofing looks great on Boulder, Colorado homes. And when installed by the experts at Roof Worx, they can even save you money. Here are 3 reasons why. First, metal roofing is designed to be durable and to withstand bad weather and even severe storms. This reduces the need for maintenance, repairs, and the costs associated with them. Metal roofs are also energy efficient, so they help to keep your home at a stable temperature and reduce the amount of cooled or heated air that is lost through the roof. This helps keep your energy bills manageable and more affordable. Additionally, metal roofing can last up to 70 years as long as they are installed by professionals and properly maintained. While there is an initial investment required for a metal roof, once your roof is installed, you can rest assured that it will last for decades. Roof Worx offers professional roofing services in Boulder County. Our team members are experienced with a variety of roofing materials, including metal roofing. So you know your project is in the hands of dedicated and skilled experts. Call us today at 303-353-1825 for a free estimate, and we will get started with your project.